everyone. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope everyone had a wonderful New Year's Eve, a safe New Year's Eve, and I hope that you are fully ready for this new year to make 2026 the most memorable year yet. I know I am, and not memorable in the way that 2025 was, because if you've been with us for any length of time, you know we had some issues this year, a lot of issues. And I apologize, our roads are so bumpy. I'm on the turnpike right now, traveling back and forth between the two properties. It is time to do some laundry, so I am heading back to the Owasso house so that I can get mine and Art's laundry caught up. It's Friday, January 2nd right now. We just had the grandkids out. We're going to show you guys what we did for their Christmas gift this year. It was pretty cool. We had been talking about wanting to do this for a while, and then we decided a couple months ago that that's what we were going to do for their Christmas gift. But we built them basically a Ninja Warrior course, Ninja Warrior style course for kids, of course, and then the zip line and all of that stuff. So we're going to show you some clips from today and the fun that we had with the kids. And then also I'll show you how we designed the course, and I'll link all of the products that we bought. We got them all off of Temu because, you know, we do everything on a budget. So that's where we got everything, and we are affiliates with Temu now, so these will be affiliate links. So if you are interested in looking at any of these products, I would sure appreciate you clicking our links, because that helps a lot. And of course, that's at no cost to you to click those links. I've got multiple things that I'm wanting to talk to you guys about right now. First of all, my most recent video that I posted, I think within the past week, was about goal setting, because I remembered how Art and I had made that kind of a resolution to create our goals for the new year and pack that list away with our Christmas decor every year, so that when we get our Christmas decor back out in November or so, each year, we'll see our list that we had made for the previous year that has our list of goals or things that we want to accomplish for the year, and then that way we can go over them and see what we were actually successful with, what we were able to accomplish. So, of course, I did say in that video that we did not decorate for Christmas this year because all of our belongings are spread apart so many properties right now. Next year, well, I shouldn't say next year, this year, because it'll be 2026. The Christmas of 2026 will be a different story. I plan to go all out, because we should for sure be settled in the property this coming Christmas. We better be anyway. At least settled in the camper for sure. But speaking of that, this weekend Art will be joining me out at the Owasso house, and we have got, because the kitchen is getting ready to be renovated at the Owasso house, so we have got to get a lot of stuff moved from there out to the homestead. So he's coming out this weekend. We're going to try to move everything that's in the 3-car garage and maybe the attic as well, I hope. We're going to try to get all of that stuff moved this weekend, and then we can take everything out of the kitchen and move it into the garage. That way at least the kitchen's emptied out, and then I've still got tons more to go through and pack and sell and do stuff with. So much. That is our goal for this weekend. It feels like a monumental task to me. Every time I go back there, it feels like such a big task. But here's the thing. Every single time I go back and we get a load from the Owasso house and we bring it out here, then something bad winds up happening out here at the homestead, and then I have to move half of the stuff back to Owasso because I have to start staying back out there more often. I am praying. Please pray with me, guys. Please, if you are Christ followers or Bible believing Christians, please, I ask you to please pray with us that we don't have any more issues at the homestead for 2026. Please, I pray that we got everything worked out in 2025 and that it's smooth sailing going forward. Now, I know we still have a lot of projects to do, and I know there will be hiccups along the way. I know that, but I mean, this past year we had so many big issues, and it was everything that we needed to get done. There was an issue that we ran into with every single thing. So my prayer is just that even though we have a lot of big projects to do, that they don't wind up so ridiculously out of control and ridiculously expensive like they were in 2025. That's my goal anyway. So this sun is getting so bright. I hope this isn't affecting the video quality. I apologize for that, guys. Anyway, I do want to hear from you guys. What are your goals for the year? What would you like to share with us? Do you have any career goals or professional goals? Or for those of you, I know we have several friends out there that have YouTube channels as well. I would love to hear what your goals are for your channel this year. And we want to be praying for you guys as well. So let me know if you've got goals for your homestead or farm, or just, you know, if you don't do that kind of thing, you just watch us to be supportive, or you just enjoy watching this type of content, but you don't actually live that lifestyle, you know, just let us know what brings you here, why you watch our videos, and, you know, what we've got in common and all that stuff. So that way we can be praying for you as well for your goals for the year. So what I did want to tell you though was, after I posted that video, the very next sermon at our church, I thought this was kind of cool. It was all about, when I went to church that Sunday, it was all about goal setting, and like a lot of things that our pastor talked about was very much what had been on my heart. So I do want to share a couple of clips from this past week's sermon, and then I've got some notes from the sermon that I want to talk about as well. That is what I wanted to share with you guys today. I am back in Owasso now and almost home, and I need to get some laundry started. So I will end this one right now and remind you to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. And in this new year here in 2026, let's just encourage one another and help lift each other up. I pray that you have a wonderful 2026, and I'll see you in the next one. We love you guys. Hi.
Hey.
Okay, so did we want to say anything really quick about
We got some rain last night.
Yes, we did.
We needed it. It's been 30 days without rain out here. So.
Has it really? What? Oh, your neck? Are you
A lot
okay?
of cattle.
Yeah.
A lot of cattle.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Woo. Oh, yeah, there's a lot out today. Wow. And they're all staring at us, too.
Look at that cow with the bunt face.
I
He's
love
looking
him.
right at us.
Yeah. He's so
what
cute.
What y'all doing out here?
Oh, the horses last night. I got to put that in a video. That was pretty cool.
Is this a video for channel?
Yeah.
Well, there's one peeing. You can watch him peeing.
Where do you see one
Here
peeing?
you pee. The tail
Oh, okay.
goes up.
Oh, does it really? Okay. Here we go. And there's Papa.
What are you guys doing?
Well, do you know why we're coming out here, Madeline?
Wow.
Because we have a Christmas surprise for you guys. This is your Christmas gift from us. It's out here. It's a big surprise that we're about to show you. Okay, good.
And me?
Yeah, if you guys want to close your eyes, that'd be even better.
Close your eyes.
Then we can really surprise you.
You do it like
Okay.
this.
Yeah, do it like that. Very good.
Close your eyes, Lucy.
Are your eyes closed?
Yep.
All right. Okay, can everybody keep their eyes closed for just a second? Let me and Papa get out and get in position. Okay, no peeking. You got your camera on too, baby? Okay.
Unlock Lukey's.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, will you help Luke go ahead and get unbuckled?
Okay, I got you.
Okay, Madeline, you can go ahead and get unbuckled.
Look at the
Okay,
trailer,
just
guys.
this
Look
way.
at the trailer.
Okay, hang on. Over here. Wait. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie.
Here, I'll come around and get them. Okay. There you go. Yeah, because you can't. Is Madeline coming that way? Madeline's coming that way. Here you go, sweetie.
Sorry, Madeline. I'm still looking at the house.
Okay. Okay.
I'm still looking.
Okay. Art, do you want to bring Maddox over here?
I think so.
Hold on. Come here. Come here. You saw it, didn't you? You saw parts of it, didn't you? Okay, ready? Okay, you got your camera on too, Papa? Okay, come on, Maddox.
Mama.
Come here. Come here.
Mama.
Huh?
Mama.
Momai, come here. Come look.
You can climb up here. You can climb on this side too. Look. You can slide up there and get on that. You know how to get up there, Madeline?
Yeah, keep going. You got it.
I know
Good
why
job.
I got it.
You can get on the other side too.
You want me to show you, Maddox? There's another way. You want me to show you the other way?
Can you see the handle? You can zip line.
Watch out. Look down.
You want a zip line?
You want to try?
You can go, look all
You want
down.
to swing? Yeah, he saw the swing. Yeah, there you go. You want to get on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look really high.
You want to go really high? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Oop. Yeah, hold on. Okay. There we go. Here, can you grab this side?
Yeah.
Okay, got it? Okay.
Way high.
Huh? Way higher? Do you like it?
No, way high.
Way higher. Okay. Oh, look at Luke! Yay! Good job. Higher.
You like that, Maddie?
Really high.
You
Woo!
gotta swing like a monkey on those.
Yeah. Hold on, Maddox. I'm gonna go show Luke this. Do you want to see how to do it?
Yeah.
Come here. It's like Ninja Warrior. Okay, jump up here and grab this one. Can you grab it with one hand? Okay, now swing from there and swing your arm over here and grab this one.
Oh.
Can you do that?
Swing.
Yeah, swing. There you go.
Oh.
Here, how about if okay, hold on real tight. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
When I let go of you, swing your body over there and grab the red one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, can you get it?
No, I can't.
You can't. No, you don't want to do it anymore?
I can't reach the big one. Cool.
It's hard, isn't it? Hold on, I'll come pull it closer to you. Luke, can you walk on the balance beam? Try walking over here. Can you do it?
I want to hear one there.
Sure, go ahead. It'll hold you.
I did do. Ow.
Uh-oh, watch out for brother's fingers. There you go. Can you swing on it? Just swing from it, Luke. There you go. Good job.
What's they call?
Huh?
What's they call?
What? That cactus over there?
Yeah.
That's a cactus.
What's got this over there?
What's the cactus over there?
Yeah.
I don't know what he's doing.
You gotta walk with it like there's no
Doing
handle.
it like that.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
What did you do?
Yeah, that shorter one that Madeline's on, that one might be easier because it's a little bit thicker for your.
This one's wet.
Yeah, makes it a little bit slippery.
Okay, that one's hard.
Is it hard?
That one's hard because it's shaped.
Yeah. Do you want me to tie your shoe, Madeline?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like that?
Are you putting me?
Yeah, you want to be pushed in it?
Yeah.
Whee!
Put me like free hand.
Huh?
Free hand.
With my hands?
Yeah, free hand.
You want to ride with me?
Oh, all right. What? You want to get off, baby?
Yeah.
Ow, don't fall down.
You okay, Madeline?
Here's your club. Here, Madeline, here's your club. Oh, sorry. Don't fall down. You get Here's your club.
Did I have one too?
Oh, Maddie,
Yep.
give her a club. Let her have a turn.
Or somebody else needs to give her one because Maddox doesn't get anything.
Here you go, Alex.
Say thank you.
Run into each other.
Run into each other. Oh. You okay, Madeline?
One down. Who got the point?
What are you doing? You're not going to bring that out here?
You get a sticker, Madeline?
Okay, I'm ready. You go ahead. Woo! Yeah. You okay, Everly? Yes, baby. You want to drive? You want to go on there? We're getting ready to go bye-bye, baby. Please, he said. A video? Okay, go ahead. Whee!
Okay, break.
Okay, run it back up there to Luke.
I got it. I want to do it.
All right, 4. Don't
No.
forget your break.
No, Luke's got one chance. This is the last one. That way everybody got... Oh.
I don't control.
Can you get it if you get up there on the green, Luke?
Luke.
Luke.